Welcome to my channel. My name is Femi Akinwale. Today we'll be looking at very important aspect of investment. We shall be looking at how Nigerians can invest in US stocks in 2026, step-by-step guide. How Nigerians can invest in US stocks in 2026, step-by-step guide. Imagine owning shares in companies like Apple, like Nvidia, like Facebook, like Tesla, like Amazon, like Microsoft. Why you are comfortably in Nigeria here. In this video, I'm going to reveal to you different way how you can go about investing in US stocks from Nigeria with little weight, as little as 10,000 naira, 20,000 naira. I will reveal to you why it is necessary for you to invest in US stocks as an investor. Then we will give you the scenarios and the way to go about investing in US stock from Nigeria here without traveling, without moving to anywhere. I will reveal all those information for you. At the same time, I'm going to give you some of the growth US stocks that you can use. I mean, that you can buy and invest in dollar for you to be able to earn in dollar, in US stock, for you to be able to earn in dollars. So these are scenarios, and at the end of this video, I'm going to give you the mistake you should always avoid when you want to invest in this kind of platform, in this kind of investing in foreign stocks, especially United States of America stock market. So why this particular investing in US stocks, why is it very important? Number one, you need to have a dollar denominated asset. When you have a dollar denominated asset, it's an avenue for you to invest. You have invested in stable currency. You look at Nigeria now, the naira is unstable. But if you can invest in foreign currency, in related in stocks like US stocks, you will be earning in dollars, and you are investing in stable currency that will preserve your money against loss of value of by inflation. These are very, very important major reason why you don't need to put all your investment in naira. You need to diversify with different currency. And thank God, these are the ways I will open your eye. A lot of investors don't know about this, and why a lot of investors are cashing out in dollars. These are the avenue. These are the what we are trying to open your eyes today. Then the second one, protection against naira depreciation. I've told you protection against naira depreciation. When you invest in dollar, you have a stable currency. Your money will remain. So, for example, now in Nigeria, if you have 1 million naira this year, the money must have gone. The value must have gone to the level of 800,000. It's just a way of saying I want to use it to buy something. Because of the price increase, general price levels increment, this thing will have devalued your money. That's why you are not encouraged to put your money into bank. For you to, if you keep your money in bank in January, for example, in January this year, if you put 1 million naira there, by the end of the year, your money will have devalued. Because you can, apart from loss of value, even the bank will have removed some certain unnecessary charges from your money. Apart from the loss of value by inflation, then the charges and what have you from your money. Then the third one is you have access to world-class companies. When you invest in this kind of space, you have access for world-class companies. These are the avenue for you to be able to diversify your investment. At the same time, you have global diversification. That is, as you invested in Nigerian stock, you invest in the US stocks, you balance your portfolio, you earn both in dollar, you earn both in naira. So for example, if you have invested $1,000 in Nvidia for the past 5 to 10 years, your money will have multiplied about 3 times. So the secret about this particular investment is for long-term horizon. You need to keep your investment in this particular space for a minimum of 5 to 10 years for you to be able to realize maximum returns on your investment. How do you now go about this investment from Nigeria here? How do you go about it? It's very easy. You know, you need to open US investment account. You need to open this account, and there are some various platforms that you can use to register, and you can buy this US stock in a seamless manner. I will put the description of this platform on the description of this video for you to be able to be, you know, to use them to register appropriately. You know, when you have registered, it's very easy. For example, I use about out of this platform that I'm going to mention here, I use two which are very good. I use Trove, I use Bamboo. You know, you can register on Trove, you can register on Bamboo, you can register on RiseVest, you can register on Pluto Neo. Pluto Neo is formerly Optimus. It's been owned by the AfriInvest 2.0, because under AfriInvest 2.0 you can only do Nigerian stocks, but under Pluto Neo you can do US stocks. It was formerly Optimus. On that particular account, you can do investment, short-term investment on that particular space. That is, you can do deposit investment, you can keep your money in a flexible manner, or you can lock your money for a certain period of time and realize one, and you can do US stocks on Pluto's New. These are the avenue for you to be able to do this particular, you know, investment, buying into US stocks from Nigeria. You know, so what are the step two? Step two is when you have identified the platform you want to use, you need to do your KYC verification. When you do your KYC verification to confirm it's you, you submit most of your identification, your NEPA bill and what have you. When you have done your BVN, they will collect your BVN, all those things. You don't need to entertain any fear. I've been using this particular platform for the past 5 years, and I don't have issue with all this platform, especially the Trove, especially the Bamboo and the RiseVest. You know, the beauty of RiseVest is you don't need to be picking, you know, different kind of stocks. You can just buy into that particular. It's just like a mutual fund. When you invest in RiseVest, it's just like a mutual fund. You can say you want to invest in stocks. When you invest in stocks, they will be the one that will, you know, that will select those stocks for you in that particular space, and then, you know, you realize returns on that particular account. But for Trove, for Bamboo, you select the stocks that you want to invest, US stock that you want to invest. When you have done that, when you have done your verification, then you fund your account. The beauty of it, you can fund your account in Naira and be converted automatically to dollars at a prevailing exchange rate. When you are fine, it goes. That is the beauty of it. You know, on Pluto Neo, you just fund your account in Naira, and then you can move it to your US account, your US account in that particular space. Then you will convert it with the existing, prevailing rate, and then you can use it to buy stocks. And the beauty of this is when you look at the price of these stocks, the price can go as much as $100, as much as $200. You know, if you look at the exchange rate now, $100 is about 135,000 now. You might not have that money, but you have the opportunity to invest in a fractional shares on that particular. You can buy as little as 20,000. You can buy as little as 10,000. As long as you have minimum of $5, you are good to go. You buy fractional share of that particular account. So it's a beauty way of developing your investment in that regards. Then you look at then when you have fund your account, you buy your preferred US account, and then you move on. So what are the best US stocks for maximum returns that you can buy now, today, if you have the money? And just go to the platform, register appropriately. This platform we have mentioned, just register appropriately, fund your account with Naira to be converted to dollar, then you move on. But on Bamboo, when you want to invest on Bamboo, you need to click the US stock particularly. They will now give you direction on the way to fund your account in Naira. A lot of people make that mistake. You know, on Bamboo, we have Naira, Nigerian stocks investment section. We have US stock investment section. You can fund Nigeria with Nigerian money. You can fund your Naira investment account, but US account, you know, you can, but you must trigger to buy that particular stock for you to be able to be directed on the way to pay for that stock, so that they will not pick to fund in Naira. They will just give you the Naira equivalent, and then you use it to buy that particular stock. So what are the US stocks for potential growth that you can quickly put your money and realize valuable return for longer period of time? You want to invest in US stock, you must keep your money You must keep your investment running for minimum of 5 to 10 years. That is the beauty of for you to be able to realize maximum returns on your investment. What are the growth stocks? US growth stock. Number one, you can look at the area of Nvidia. It's a very good one. You won't regret if you can put your money in this particular space. The current price of this particular stock is about $200. So you can buy fractional share, you can buy as little as $5, you can buy as little as $10. The beauty is you consistent on a monthly basis. You put sizable amount into this particular investment, you will watch how your money is going. When they pay dividend directly to your account, and then you use it to buy stock. You know, you are the one to trigger it yourself to use it to buy further, or you can withdraw it to your account. Very, very easy. Then you can do Microsoft. Microsoft price is about $390. As I've told you, you can buy fractional share of this particular space. Then you can do Amazon. Amazon is a very good company, US stocks that you can really, make a lot of money in terms of for maximum returns on your investment. You can do Tesla. Tesla is about $405, but you can buy fractional shares. I've told you, you don't need to entertain any fear because of the price. Don't let the price scare you. You can buy as little as minimum of $5, minimum of $10. You just make sure you are consistent in investing in a monthly basis as you are getting money, but you ensure that you keep your money, you keep your investment running for minimum of at least 5 to 10 years. Then you can do AI stocks. AI stocks is the thing that is moving in US among the US stocks, in the like of Nvidia, in the like of advanced micro devices, which is about $500. You can do Platinum Technologies. All these Google, these are company, Facebook. These are companies that are really moving up. If you want dividend stocks, a dividend US stock that you want to be collecting dividend, that they will never fail you. It's Johnson and Johnson. At the same time, Coca-Cola. You can consider all those stocks. I've tried them and they pay dividend on as little as your cent. If you have $20, they will give you your equivalent dollar element of that particular amount of stock you have in that particular space. Then you can do ETF. ETF is an exchange traded fund. It's an avenue for you to buy a basket of different assets in a single space. That is, you can buy in a basket that you have Apple, you have Tesla, you have Microsoft, you have Facebook, you have Google. If you buy all these particular space in a given basket, that means you have bought all those assets in a single unit. That is exchange traded funds. That is, instead of buying on a single basis, you buy collective of stocks together. They combine those companies together. When you buy a stake in that particular space, then you can earn dividend as they are making. They share the profit. They are monitoring all those. Although they are tracking all those companies together. That's what they call exchange traded funds. For example, you can do Vanguard S&P 500 that combine about 500 companies together, and you can do Invesco Qlink, that is stocks that really track the company that pay dividend regularly in the United States of America. So it's a very beautiful. A lot of people don't have this opportunity. They just believe that it's only Nigerian stocks they can buy. But US stock, you can do that. You don't need to entertain. And all these platforms we have mentioned is being regulated by Security and Exchange Commission. So you don't need to entertain any firm. So what are the strategies? What are the strategies for maximum returns on your investment? Instead of choosing hot stocks, invest monthly. Cultivate habit of investing monthly. Focus on AI stocks or technologies stocks. Then you must at least hold for 5 to 10 years for you to be able to enjoy the investment returns on this particular space. Then you must always reinvest your dividends. Very, very important. You reinvest your dividend you are getting for you to be able to have multiplier effect on the return you are going to get on that particular space. Then you always buy during correction times. What we are experiencing in Nigerian stock now, there's correction time. That is the time a lot of people are taking profit. So the price, when a lot of people are selling, the price will come down, which will make the price of those stocks to come down. So it's an opportunity for you to be able to strategize and buy during that correction stuff. So the bigger returns don't come from trading every day. It comes, for long time periods of time for you to be able to realize maximum profit on your investment. So what are the mistakes to be avoided? What are the mistakes to avoid for you to be in this particular type of investment? Number one, investing with borrowed money. You don't need to invest with borrowed money. Why can you go and borrow money and put it in your investment? You will be tempted to go and sell well before your investment is terminated. So you make sure that you keep your money, you save your money, and then this money will be the money that you don't need immediately, that you want to invest for future. That is what is happening. Then you look at following social media hype. You avoid that. You just be focusing on a very good stocks, and then you make sure you invest. You do a budget for yourself, and you invest on a monthly basis. So these are very important. Then putting all your money in one stock is unavoidable. I mean, you can avoid those. You don't need to put all your money into one stock. You need to spread your tentacle among stocks. I always advise that when you want to have an investment of about 10 million or about 2 million, you spread it apart from you spread it into different sectors that are doing well. At the same time, in that particular sector, you divide it of the company that are doing well in that particular sector. For example, when you are looking at banking sector, you should be able to know the banks that are doing very well in terms of GTB, Zenith Bank, and and other ones. So when you go to industrial, you look at the companies that are doing, you spread your tentacles so that you can be able to realize maximum return on your investment. Then don't be panicked to sell during market crash. Don't be panicked to sell during market crash. That's why you need to put the money you don't need immediately into investment for them to be able to germinate so that you can realize maximum return on your investment. And when you are ignoring diversification, it will affect you in the long run. Don't put all your egg into one basket. I hope you enjoyed this video. When you enjoyed the video, what I don't want you to do for me is to like this video. When you like this video, you are helping our channel. It makes our channel to be shared to a lot of people by YouTube automatically. At the same time, I want you to subscribe to my channel. When you subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification so that whenever we are giving out a valuable video like this, you will be among the first person to watch. Thank you for watching this video to the end and for subscribe and like my video. Thank you. God bless you.